In this video here, I'm going to show you how to actually sign up for an account in DAISY. It's very easy. I am using the Chrome extension in this example, but the same thing would work if you were using your mobile phone in the app there. If you're using a mobile phone, you'll open your Tronlink wallet. On the bottom right hand side, you'll see 4 dots. You'd click that, and this is where you would enter this address. Your referrer will have their own referral address. You'd want to just paste that in to whatever browser on the phone or in the app. It's going to take you up to this page right here. This is the opener page. You'll see 2 videos you guys can check out and watch, and it is $100 for tier 1. When you're doing your initial sign up, you're also buying your first tier. So just keep that in mind. You'll want to have whatever wallet you're using with at least $100 of Tron in it, and preferably have an extra 150 or 100 Tron in the wallet as well, just in case so you have a little bit of a cushion. It's going to do all this automatically when you sign up, so you want to choose your username. This referred by will be whoever your referral link you're using. Their name would show up here, and then you would pick your own username, all lowercase letters, and it should show your wallet address here as well of whatever you're attached to and you wanted to use for DAISY. That's the wallet it's going to take the Tron from. Okay, so when you get all that in, you're going to hit sign up. You'll have a pop-up come. I'm not entering a username right now. You'll have a pop-up come right about here, authorizing the transfer of the Tron to the smart contract, and then you will be all signed up. Next video, I'm going to show you, once you're signed up, how you get into your actual app.